Okay, good afternoon. My name is Ahmed Kaganda. I'm in Chiboga, Ruamata, and I'm a avocado grower, hash avocado. I've been in this business for close to 2 years, and we are moving on well. First of all, we have the problem of water. Chiboga is a very dry area. We normally face that problem when it is dry season. We don't have water, and our plants normally suffer a lot. Another challenge, we have been lacking consultancy. We didn't have people who have enough knowledge, as in avocado, hash avocado. That's why you find we have been having different varieties. Yeah, that is another problem. Another problem may be the suppliers of those who give us seedlings. We normally get seedlings from different suppliers. You end up getting different varieties, and you may not know in the beginning that you are getting something wrong. You end up planting, then after some time, you discover it is not hash, proper hash. Yeah, that's a very big problem we are having. Yeah, I actually don't feel good, and I was actually disappointed because I put a lot of efforts thinking that I'm growing hash avocado. But since it's like that, I will go on, and maybe I will have to improve on getting a proper seedlings. Now that, yes, you encouraged me that this kwete is also a good plant. However, this is not the plant I really wanted. But I will move on and see. But next time, I'm going to make sure I get from proper suppliers of seedlings. I planted 6 acres of hash avocado, but due to those challenges of water, some dried up. I started refilling. That's when I started getting these different varieties from different suppliers, but I had planted 6 acres. The kind of advice I can give farmers first is to establish the original suppliers of hash avocado. Make sure they are getting the real quality, which is hash, not fall into this kind of getting different varieties, thinking that you are growing hash, yet you are growing different varieties. So it's first get a good supplier, you make contract with him, make agreement with him, then he starts supplying you. 2, you get organized and make sure you have a proper water supply, because this plant needs too much water throughout. How I came to know that this is not hash, I got my friends from Avocare consultants, and they visited me at my farm, and actually they are good consultants, and they are the ones who established that it's not hash. There is a friend called Ibla from Avocare consultants. There are some varieties which we are going to uproot, that the local ones, but these kwetes, the Pinkerton, we are going to palm lamp hash, we are going to top work and bring scions for proper hash. Yes. Then we do top work, then we grow a proper plant. Yeah.